common chord given two circles. Common chord is nothing but the radical axis of given two circles. So radical axis formula is s minus s dash equal to 0. So s value x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 minus x dash minus x square minus y square plus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0 minus s dash. Change all the symbols of s dash. So we get x square cancel, y square cancel. 6x minus 4x equal to 2x. 4y minus 6y minus 2y. 9 minus 4 equal to plus 5. This is the common chord of the given two circles. Next. Given these two circles, equation of the common tangent. Equation of the common tangent is nothing but the radical axis of two circles. Radical axis is s minus s dash equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus s dash. Change the all symbols of s dash. Minus x square minus y square minus 2x minus 2y. X square y square cancel. Minus 6x minus 6y equal to 0. Sixth table cancel. Multiply with minus. We get x plus y equal to 0. Next. Given these two circles, first eliminate these three. So, divide the given equation with 3. 3x square by x square. 3x square by 3. X square. 3y square by 3. Y square. X by 3. 2y by 3. Minus 1 by 3. In this one, there is a x square, y square quotient is 2. So, divide this equation with this 2. We get x square plus y square plus x minus y by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Given question is find the radical axis of s and s dash. So radical axis is s minus s dash equal to 0. So s value x square plus y square plus x by 3 plus 2y by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus s dash minus x square minus y square minus x plus y by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. X square y square cancel. Take 6 LCM. 3 2 times 2x. 3 2 times 2 into 2 4y. 3 2 times minus 2. X means x by 1. 1 6 times minus 6x. 2 3 times plus 3y. 2 3 times minus 3 equal to 0. By cross multiplication, 0 into something equal to 0. Finally, we get 2x minus 6x, that is minus 4x. 4y plus 3y equal to 7y. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. multiply with minus 4x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. The equation of the circle. Given three conditions. Number 1, passing through the origin. Number 2, center lies on the line y equal to x. Third one and given circle 2 cut orthogonally. So let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0. We know that center is a minus g minus f. We apply all these three conditions. First one passing through the origin. So this implies 0, 0, 0, 0 plus c equal to 0. So substitute x value 0 and y value 0. That is the first condition. Second condition, center lies on the line. So C lies on y equal to x. Substitute center in this equation. Minus f equal to minus g. Minus minus cancel. F value equal to g. This is the second condition. Also given 1 and 2 cut orthogonally. In the circle, g dash value minus 2, f dash value minus 3, c dash value is plus 10. 1 and 2 cut orthogonally. Therefore, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. 2g g dash value minus 2, 2f f dash value minus 3, c value is 0, c dash value plus 10. Substitute f value equal to g, then minus 4g minus 6g equal to 10. Since g f equal to g, so substitute in place of f, we substitute g. Finally, minus 10g equal to 10, g value is minus 1. From this one, f is also equal to minus 1. So, g value minus 1, f value minus 1, c value 0. Substitute all these three values in equation number 1. We get the answer x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 1 into x, 2 into minus 1 into y plus 0 equal to 0. Finally, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. Next, bit number 16. Given these two circles are cut orthogonally, find the value of f. So we know the orthogonal condition is 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. 2g g value is 1. G dash value is 2 plus 2 into f value minus 1, f dash value minus f equal to c value 4, c dash value minus 2, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, minus into minus plus 2f equal to 4 minus 2, 4 cancel. So f equal to minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. The slope of the radical axis. Given two circles are S and S dash. So radical axis equal to S minus S dash equal to 0. that is x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y minus 5 minus x square minus y square plus 5x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. X square cancel, y square cancel, 8x minus y minus 11 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Slope of the radical axis equal to minus a by b. A value is h, b value is minus 1. Minus minus cancel h. Next, given two circles, distance from the point 1 comma minus 2 to the radical axis. So first we calculate equation of the radical axis. So radical axis is s minus s dash equal to 0. That equal to x square plus y square minus 4x 5x plus 4y minus 2 minus x square minus y square plus 2x minus 8y minus 3 equal to 0. X square cancel, y square cancel, minus 3x minus 4y minus 8y minus 4y minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. So this equal to 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of the radical axis, that is nothing but a straight line. Distance from the point x1 y1 to this radical axis ax plus by plus c equal 0. We apply the formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square modulus of 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 5 by under root a square value 9, b square value 16, modulus of 3 minus 8 plus 5 by root 25 equal 5 plus 8 minus 8 cancel, 0 by 5 equal to 0. Find the length of the common chord. Common chord is nothing but the radical axis. That is s minus s dash equal to 0. This is s. Minus s dash, change the all symbols. Minus x square, minus y square, minus 4x, minus 2y, minus 2. X square, y square cancel. Minus 2x plus y, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Multiply with minus. So 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Distance from the center to the line, modulus of 2 into minus 1 minus of minus 3 plus 1, 2 LCM plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So that is 3 by 2 root 5. 3 by 2 root 5. Length of the common chord 2 into under root r square minus d square. R value is 3 by 2. R square value 9 by 4 minus d square value 9 by 4 into 5. So 2 into under root 20 LCM 4 5 times 5 into 45 9 45 minus 9 2 into under root 36 by 20 fourth table 5 times 9 times cancel 2 into 3 by root 5 6 by root 5